When you need to make short work of removing concrete samples from single-use molds, turn to Gilson as your trusted source. The Gilson HM-171 Power Concrete Stripping Toolkit quickly cuts away plastic or cardboard material for easy concrete sample extraction. Ideal for all concrete sample cylinders, including 2x4, 3x6, 4x8, and 6x12 cylinders. This rugged German-engineered tool is powered by an advanced brushless motor delivering 2.6 joules of impact energy and features a safety clutch, a 360-degree support handle, a seamless one-click switch to shift between drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling. The Gilson Power Concrete Stripping Toolkit includes a specially fabricated stripping tool bit, manufactured using 303 stainless steel for increased durability, making it easy to remove concrete samples from single-use molds. It also includes two 20-volt lithium-ion batteries with a charger and a convenient heavy-duty transport storage bag. The lightweight design makes this rugged tool ideal for improved concrete sample extraction, and with its compact storage size, makes it the perfect stripping tool whether in the lab or in the field, to make the Gilson Power Concrete Stripping Toolkit the right choice for your materials testing lab. Be sure to check out this and all Gilson products on the Gilson website or in the Gilson catalog. Gilson, your industry leader for materials testing equipment.